Hi, welcome to Remaka tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn what's affiliate marketing. Sixth chapter. Yes, in this chapter, affiliate marketing is one of the best methods to earn money online. So you have to first join on this site and you have to promote your ad and then earn. That's all. In this method, you place ads from different companies. For example, Amazon.com on your blog or website and get paid every time someone buys a product from that ad. And there are some links. Linkshare, linkshare.com, like that, Amazon Associate, affiliate program.amazon.com, like that, Kabruga affiliate program in Sri Lanka, kabruga.com. Yes, Linkshare. Linkshare, the page is like that. Another page and Amazon's Associate, it is page, and the third one is Kabruga affiliate program, it is their page. So that's all. Let's see their video and Linkshare and Amazon's Associates and Kabruga affiliates. Let's watch their videos how to do it in 3 sites demo. Okay, let's go to the lesson. Hi, welcome to Roymaga tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to start affiliate marketing on your blog or on your website or on YouTube channel. If you have already created your blog or website or your YouTube channel, you can follow these steps. Here are some steps to do affiliate marketing. Already you have to create website or blog or YouTube channel. Then you have to choose your interesting and research products in a machine and sign up for the Amazon affiliate. Yeah, we are going to here to do Amazon affiliate program. That's why we have select this one and find affiliate programs for the other products you want to review and create content in the form of tutorials, review post, resource pages or emails, and use your affiliate link. Optimize the page and track your rankings in Google, and last one, rinse and repeat. Okay, let's see how to do. Yes, go to Google browser and search Amazon affiliate. Here is the Amazon Associates. Oh, here is this one. You can go here, click on it. Yes, this is the page, home page of the Amazon Associates. In this page here, you can earn up to 10% advertising fees. Yes, they give you some codes of advertisement. You can paste those codes on your website or blog or on your anything else, no problem. First you have to join, yes, on Amazon Associates, and then you can advertise and then earn. Yes, there are something. First you have to join now for free. It is also free. If you are already joined, log in here and then go as earn 50% on digital products. Yes, here are something you can earn 5% on digital music and videos. Here is something you can refer like that. There is anything. Yes, you can earn 8% on keto and fat table devices. Yes, you can do now like that in 7% on eco and 5G devices. Like that, there is also you can earn 10% on luxury beauties, and like that. Now you can search a lot of items. Yes, a lot of advertisement. What kind of advertisement do you want? You can search and find that one. Yes, get your best deals and get the code. Yeah, here is their product link. Here you can get it. Before that, you have to log in on Amazon Associates account and get the product links. And here is the their link. You can get it. Here is the short link and full link also. Here is a link, and you can get copy and paste and copy and paste on yourself. Here there is some product links and banners also. If you paste the code, your advertisements or banners show like that. Yes, you can paste on your sites. After got your codes and after paste it on your site, on your blog, yes, the advertisement show like that. Yeah, this is the Amazon advertisement. This is affiliating. Yes, very simple method. After the approved you can paste the advertisement on your sites. At the time your viewers, yes, click on this, they will pay for you. Okay, that's all, very simple. But good luck.